Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In this today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to add your own music to TikTok. Alright guys, first of all, let's just open our TikTok application on our phone. And after we have our TikTok application opened, we can start to create a TikTok post. We can click on this plus button to create new post. And we can click on add sound right here. Okay, and if you want to add your own music, you can click on your sounds. It's over here, and here we have two options. We can click on import sound from video, or we can also import local sound. And if you want to import your own music from your device, you can click on this option, import local sound. And these are my sounds or my music in my device. And for instance, I'm just going to maybe this one. We can click on the song that we want to add to our TikTok post. Then we can click on import sound right here. And actually you can import more than one music or sounds. You just need to click on it to select it like this. And for me, I'm gonna go with the song only. Then we can click on import sound. Okay, then we can click on the sound to add it to our TikTok post and click on this check mark. And as you can see that my music has been added to my TikTok post. And I guess that's how we can add our own music to TikTok. I hope this tutorial will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching and see you in the next video.